for a particular value vertically, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP just opposite of VLOOKUP, is searching values in rows. This will search value in columns. That's the basic difference in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Now this is very small data. In case of very large amount of data, that means thousands of rows and thousands of columns, it is a very tremendous task to locate any value. In that case, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are very useful tools. Now we will see how to use VLOOKUP to search any value from a range of table. Just see equal to, just enter the function VLOOKUP. You can see its syntax is like this: VLOOKUP value, table array, column index, and first of all, which value you want to locate in the table. So that I will just select this one, E2, table array. We have to select the table array. I will select this table. Just put comma, column index. Now I want price. Okay, I will just enter the column index number. Now we'll see here, this is column number 1, column number 2, 3, column number 4, column number 5. So that I want price, it is in column number 5. I'll just enter 5, comma, then range lookup, whether you want approximate or exact match. I want exact, so that I will just put 0, close the bracket and enter. We'll see. Mouse, price of mouse is 100 rupees. You can change mouse here, and let's go set also keyboard. Let's see, 300 rupees. If I change this to laptop, let's see, 22,000 rupees. Just now, similarly, we can use VLOOKUP in combination with data validation, so that you don't have to write the text again and again. I will just use data validation. Let's see. Just put cursor here, then just data, then data validation. Just want list. Just select the list here from this table. Okay, I'll just press yes. Now you can just select from this drop down menu. You can select any item or any product. Just select like this. Mobile phone. Now I can use VLOOKUP formula here. Just press VLOOKUP. Lookup value is here. I will say mobile A14, comma, table array. Just select the table, comma. Now I want price. Price is there in column number. Just measure, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number 5. Then put a comma. I want exact, so that I will just write 0 here. Close the bracket. You can see mobile 10,000 rupees. You can just change it to laptop 22,000 rupees, webcam 2,000, mouse, keyboard. Exactly, we are getting the the right answers. Now in this case, we can find the total cost also. Suppose just purchase 20 quantity. Just right here. Price multiplied by quantity. I will get the answer. Just here. I change the value of keyboard to laptop. We'll see. Price is there. I can change the quantity also. And we'll see. I can change it to webcam. 200 rupees. 10. Answer is right. Correct. Now we'll see what is the syntax of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up data in table organized vertically. VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching. The purpose of VLOOKUP is to, in a table, just find the matching number. It just match that number and just the output is the matching number. Syntax is VLOOKUP value that you are looking for the table, the array of table, which is the column index, then range. You want exact or approximate value. Let's see, arguments are there, value look for in the first column table. Now in case of VLOOKUP, it is just starting from first column to is going on the right side. First column, second column, third column, right. It is from left to right. Now in case of you want to locate data from right to left, one more function is there. It is very advanced than VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It is XLOOKUP that we will see. This is the summary of VLOOKUP. Similarly, in case of HLOOKUP, we'll see just HLOOKUP is an actual function to look up and retrieve data from specific row in a table. The H, that is H stand for horizontal, where lookup values appear in first row of the table going horizontally to the right. Purpose of HLOOKUP is to look up value in a table by matching on the first row. What it returns match value from the table, that is output. HLOOKUP. The syntax is the value we are looking for table, the table array, row index, and the range. That is, we want approximate value or true value. Now we will use HLOOKUP here. I think just equal to HLOOKUP. Function is there. Double click on function. HLOOKUP value. I want this one from table array. This is a table array. Do not select the first column, comma. The price is coming at, you can see which row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row number 5. Comma. I want exact, so that I will just put 0 here and enter. You see, price of laptop is 22,000. Similarly, you can use other items also. You can just 2000. Now it is searching value horizontally. Mouse 100 rupees, keyboard 300 rupees, like this. Now in case of HLOOKUP, HLOOKUP is searching value horizontally, and in case of VLOOKUP, is searching the value that you want vertically. This is about HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Thank you.